Hi, today is Wednesday, April 25th. Yeah. And we're taking a look at Amazon, which reports after the bell tomorrow, Thursday, the 26th. So this is my Amazon daily chart roadmap that I'm going to post to the Twitter account. But I wanted to do a quick video as well, just going over some prices and some of the stuff that you see on this chart to help you navigate and understand what's going on here. There's a lot of price levels and stuff here that I think are significant and worth a follow. So those are what your straight lines are that you're seeing. But what you're also seeing are these opposing forks: a bull fork in green and a bear fork, sort of in this light red, orangey color. And what you want to do when you're drawing a fork, if you have Thinkorswim software, you pick three very key price swings for a stock or an index, and you plot your fork using those. So for Amazon, I used the February low to its all-time high to the April low. And for the bear fork, I used the all-time high to the April low to the recent swing high. And you can see that with this bull fork, if we're going to have a positive earnings report and Amazon is going to continue to rally and it's going to make a new all-time high, we're going to be going after the median line of this fork. And that comes in starting at about 1665 on Friday once it's gotten earnings out of the way. Now 1665 rhymes a lot with our 80 handle rule, going from, trying to hit that 65 price. And if we can take that out, then you want to look for the 1680 price and then finally the 1700 price. What also catches my eye is that today in the market-wide low, because S&P 500 made a lower low than yesterday, and I think pretty much all the indices did, as did Amazon, as you can see. It flushed down low and it came back to close right back above its 20-day simple moving average and right on the bottom of this bull fork. Now, when I use QuickTime video, it really does not like Thinkorswim very much. I keep getting this error message that comes up, and then I can't get it to stop. So I'm gonna try. Oh, okay, there we go. Now, as far as this bear fork is concerned, when I put this in, I can see that the downtrend that has happened over the last few sessions tucks right in here with this fork. Now, I did not draw this fork to follow this trend. I just placed the fork on these 3 points: this swing high, swing low, swing high, and it drew this fork in for me, and it follows the line down of this particular set of prices here that have happened over the course of the last week. So just like we'd be targeting the median line for a positive report, we'll be targeting the median line of the bear fork for a negative report. And that median line, as you can see, would come in right about here. We'd end up breaking this uptrend. And so therefore, I don't know whether this median line would be enough to feed the beast to the downside. If it is enough, it means it's going to stop and hold above this April low. But if that's not enough to feed the downside, we're going to break through the April low. We're going to start looking back towards testing the February low and maybe even coming in here to bang into the bottom of the fork, which seems to coincide very nicely with where the 200-day simple moving average is rising along here. Now that would mean a trip all the way down to the $1,200 handle. Now, I'm not saying all in one day right after earnings. I'm saying, and I'm not saying that all in one day after earnings for the median line to the upside either. I'm just saying that those give you some targets to shoot at as we head in here. So I hope that helped to explain this chart a little bit more so you can understand what you're looking at. And if there's any other questions that you have about Amazon, I'm happy to take a look at the chart and give you my opinion on a price level or a trade or whatever it is you want to do going into Amazon earnings or coming right out of it. I myself, I don't think I'm going to play Amazon earnings, but if it looks like there's something good to play with it after earnings, I will definitely step in and try some puts or some calls on it. That's it. Have a great evening, good luck, and good trading on Amazon.